though when you see the videos, though. Like when y'all actually see the videos, I'm like, man.
Yeah.
Really...
Yeah, they don't look at everybody all the time. It's just when you get an alert on the truck, on the camera, like a hard brake or like running a stop sign or a traffic light, or tailgating pretty bad. Then they'll show an alert or a critical event, and then they'll get the night. Like if something's in your hand.
Yeah.
If a phone's in your hand,
he like, I'm calling.
Yeah.
Turn right on I-280 North.
Plus, if you, no, we gotta go.
Gotta go left.
Yeah. I don't know why it's taking us this way.
Head west on Bonson Road.
Yeah. She's taking us a long way. We're gonna go south on 280 up to the toll road.
Turn right on Baker Drive.
I-80 and go take the I-80 exit.
Merge on I-280 south and take exit 1.
That's what I don't know. I think I would get one of them.
These are, you can hear, I can't speak for those earbuds or whatever they're called. iPods, what are they called?
AirPods.
AirPods?
They get irritating in your ear, like you can feel it.
But you can get the dual ones, dual earpieces.
Yeah.
And then when you talk, it only comes out one ear, but you can listen to music through the Bluetooth. Or you can Bluetooth it to ear, Bluetooth your phone to ear, then you can listen to it
over the
on the truck stereo. All the trucks have Bluetooth.
Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna definitely get one of those too.
And this was like $180, but it's nice. It's clear. When you're talking to somebody, they don't even know you're driving.
Oh yeah.
There's no, I don't know if those have that, the noise canceling.
Nope.
Okay.
So yeah, I definitely think I'm gonna get one of those.
Yeah, I'll talk to people. They're like, are you driving? I'm like, yeah. I got the steering wheel. Wow, I can't even tell. And I use this to talk to text. I just push that button.
And it
beep, beep. You don't even have to say, hey Siri.
Man, the Siri be tripping sometimes.
Yeah, I'll just push the button and it'll go beep, beep. It'll do the Siri sound. It'll be a different sound on here. And then you just command it. As soon as you hear that tone, send a message to Kadeem. What would you like to say? Hey, I'm going to be 5 minutes late. Blah, blah, blah. Say whatever.
And it picks it right up.
Yep, and then she'll repeat what you said. Would you like to send?